Hello friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making an Italian sausage and onion pizza. Italian sausage, sweet beer caramelized onions, and melty mozzarella turn a homemade pizza into a delectable feast. I like to make a sheet pan sized pizza, one without edges. Spray the flat pan with cooking spray, then work the dough with your hand so it evenly fills the sheet pan. You want the dough to be spread thinly and evenly across the whole surface. Take the dough to your preheated barbecue and cook the pizza on the sheet pan for 4 minutes. Once cooked, pull the pizza off the grill, flip the crust on the sheet pan so the cook side is up, and then dress the pizza. Add the pizza toppings in this order. First, spread an even layer of tomato sauce over the whole pizza. You want to use about half a jar of the sauce. Now, add your Italian sausage, sprinkling the crumbled meat evenly over the pizza. Then, to your taste, cover the sauce with onions, spreading evenly over the crust. Cover the meat with a nice semi-thick layer of cheese, the 2-cheese blend. Sprinkle Italian seasoning over the pizza and then take it back to the grill. Cook the pizza. The middle burners are off and the side burners are still on high. You are putting the pizza without the cookie sheet pan in the middle of the grill for 15 minutes to cook. When warm and bubbly, pull off the grill. Let the pizza rest for 5 minutes before cutting into 8 slices. It's tasty right off the grill and even tastier the next day. That is, if you haven't eaten it all in one sitting.